Hello guys, in this tutorial I will teach you how to quickly and painlessly translate your WordPress web page into multiple languages with the help of ConveyThis translator. In this example we are at the landing page of royalmarblenewyork.com. It's not translated, it's now in English, and me as a webmaster, I'm looking to get it translated into Spanish. So what should I do? First of all, I need to log in as an admin to my property and then go to Dashboard. In the dashboard, I go into the Plugins section and click on Add New. Let's click on it, and as a next step, you'll be prompted to search for the plugins, and the plugin I'm interested to download is called ConveyThis. It could be easily found by the keyword translate. Here's the list of available plugins, but the one I'm looking for is ConveyThis Translate Website Translator. I click on Install Now. The plugin is installed, but not yet activated. I click on the Activate button, and I'm redirected to the page where it says ConveyThis plugin installed, but not yet configured. You need to configure ConveyThis plugin here. Click on the configuration page. Alright, so let's click on the configuration page, and there is no widget yet, and the plugin asks me for the API key, which is free to get. And to get this key, you need to go to ConveyThis.com. This is how the website looks like. And once you sign up, you will be able to log in. Let's click on Login, and I will be able to get to the dashboard. This is my dashboard for Royal Marble, New York, and I'm on a free plan, so I need to copy this API key, go back to the WordPress configuration page. The source language I will select English, since my web page is in English, and the language I want my web page to be is Spanish. So start typing Spanish and you'll see it's in a drop down list as Spanish. Alright, so let's click Save Changes and see if everything worked. Yes, so the green setting says the settings are saved, so there is no obstacles in this regards. So my widget should look like this, like a preview screen. It's a British flag and Spanish of Spain flag. Let's go to the main page and see if that in fact had worked. Alright, so this is the main page, and you see the widget now appears on the bottom of the page. If I click on it, I see both languages are appearing there. So let's check the Spanish version. Alright, so it seems like Granito Fabricator, it's already been translated, the title of the page. The button has been translated. The top navigation has been translated. All the subtitles on the page. So if you scroll down the list, you see that most of the stuff is already been covered. The white Carrara marble became Blanco de Carrara, Calacata Oro. So it seems like legitimate Spanish language to me. I scroll down the list. Everything is in Spanish. Okay, great job, plugin. Nothing is skipped. Everything is translated into Spanish. Alright, so now let's look into customization options. Maybe you wanted to change the flags, for example. Once I'm in a dashboard, I go to ConveyThis again, and there is more settings hidden down below where you see the show more options. Click on this and scroll down the list and you'll see more stuff you can play with. They select the display style for flags. It's a rectangle, square, or circle flag. I personally prefer rectangle flag. It's more straightforward. People are accustomed to it. I prefer to display full text of the widget, and you can play with the positioning, whether to display it on top of the page if you have light navigation over there, or at the bottom. It depends. Some people have online chats which interfere with the widget, so you can change the positioning. And you can also customize the indenting. You can tweak it manually higher or lower on the page depending on where your elements are. Okay. So the plugin is fully SEO friendly. It adds the href length tags, which is good for search engines. They can discover these new pages and index them. But I am interested to see the language section. The language section is discovered right there at the second click, and I need to change English flag into the British flag into US flag. Let's see if I can do that. English, America, no. What about US? No. USA, no. Let's look at all the flags right there. Let's look at the flags. Okay, United States of America is right there under United Kingdom. And the second language I want to change is Spanish of Spain into Mexican Spanish. Spanish of Spain into Mexican Spanish. You can change it to North Korean flag if you like, but don't confuse your visitors. Give them what they're expecting you to see. Spanish of Mexico. Let's type in Mexico. Mexico. Okay, so you can also type in this tab, and you'll be able to quicker find the corresponding flag. See, it's all updated at the same time. Click on Save Changes. Now the widget should be different. And go visit again the web page. Okay, so the widget is there. All the languages are now different. Everything appears to be translated. With my flags. And my dashboard, if I refresh the page, it will show me that my current word usage is 580 words, which is a decent amount of words on the page for the one-page landing page. The number of languages I've used is 1, which is Espanol, Spanish, and I had 3 page views, meaning I refreshed the page a couple of times, so it did count that as well. So that's pretty much it. This is the basic installation of the plugin in its activation. However, you can also further translate your strings. For example, if you speak Spanish language or any other language of your choice, you can, on the page of the settings of the plugin, you can click on Edit My Translations, and it will take you to the ConveyThis.com website where your plugin is activated, and you see your domain name, and you can click on Edit. Here is your language Spanish. You click on Spanish, and you can customize the source, not the source, but the actual translation. So, for the sake of the example, let's play with the titles. Okay, let's see this. All the titles. Let's change something that we could see on the page. Let's look for the strings called "Stay Updated" with the social media links. When I'm on the dashboard, I click type in Ctrl F and look for "Stay Updated." So this is what it gave me already, this corresponding string. It says "Manténgase actualizado." Okay, I'm not sure if this is the correct translation, so let's put it like, let's add new word to it and click on save. Alright, so it shows that it's saved, and if I refresh the page, it's English version. Let's go to Spanish version, to the bottom of the page, and the new string, which says exactly what we wrote, is manténgase actualizado new. It's already appearing on the screen. So this is it for this short tutorial. I hope you got a gist of how it works. As you can see, it's super easy and super quick to install, to activate, and even to proofread. All right? Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.